hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having the best day ever. Today we have a very bittersweet video, I'm not gonna lie, because this is a very exciting video but also a very sad video, and I am just excited to be able to do this for you guys, but also it breaks my heart and soul because in today's video we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the last ever Fresh and Flowers box from LUSH. So if you guys haven't seen the most recent LUSH updates, basically they have decided to stop doing the Fresh and Flowers boxes, which I'm honestly gutted about. I did love buying them like years and years ago, and then ever so recently I have been gifted a few of them, and it just reminds me how incredible these boxes are. However, I am hoping maybe it means that we're going to get another subscription box option. I don't know, I'm very excited to see what LUSH are releasing, but we are going to be going through the last ever one. It has my name on it. I am very excited but very sad at the same time, so let's dive in and see what is in the final box. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So a couple of things before I dive in. The first one being thank you so much to LUSH for sending me this box. I am so thankful and grateful. It never goes unnoticed like how kind and generous you guys are, and it truly means the world and makes my day. So thank you so much. And the second thing is that I have recently added a membership option to my channel. Please don't feel like you have to join, but it is there for any of you that would like to. There's perks, there's bonuses. I will leave it all on the screen so you guys can have a look, but again, please do not feel like you have to. It is just a complete option. Anyway, that being said, let's dive into the video. Okay, so let's open it up together. Oh, there's a note. It's gonna make me emotional. Okay, so this one is we've stolen the carrots off the Easter bunny. Don't tell on us. How sweet. Oh, this is so sad. This is the Hoppy Easter Fresh and Flowers box. So we do also have a note inside. I'm going to do my best to read it, but I will hold it up as well. So this one says, "Hey Lushy, thank you for being part of our Fresh and Flowers journey. For the past 5 wonderful years, your support, enthusiasm and loyalty have meant the world to us. From collecting moon water to our moon phases soap to dreaming up creations like the tiny musicians of the forest, fresh face mask, and even welcoming some of our superfans to Paul to help create a self-care Sunday inspired Mr. Whippy mask, it's been an incredible adventure, and we are so grateful you were a part of it. As we bring our Fresh and Flowers subscription to a close with this box, we just wanted to say a heartfelt thank you for subscribing, supporting and celebrating Fresh with us. While this chapter is ending, we're already working on what's next, and we can't wait to share it with you soon. We won't keep you waiting too long." Why does that make me want to cry? I just feel like that's so sweet. Like, I feel like this just shows what sort of company LUSH is, and it just means the world. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, let's dive in. This box, it's looking fantastic. Like, look at that. A little sneak preview. Okay, let's dive in and see what we have. Okay, so I don't really know where to start. I think I'm gonna go for all of the potted things at first, which is what I normally do. So the first item we... This is going to be delish. I'm so excited. This is going to be insane. This is the Posh Chocolate Fresh Face Mask. Brighten with fresh carrot juice, soften with cocoa butter, and indulge in a chocolatey Easter indulgence the LUSH way. This is going to be insane. I feel like if you liked the, what was it called? It's on the tip of my tongue. Was it called Cupcake? Face mask years ago, you're gonna love this one. Ingredients wise in this one we have got Rasool mud, we've also got carrot juice, cocoa powder, we've also got cocoa butter and cocoa extract. We've got a lot of cocoa in here. We've also got a vanilla extract and sandalwood. I am so excited because I absolutely love anything posh chocolate scented. Like, I am all for it. I'm so excited. Okay, yeah, that's delish. I mean, it smells like cupcake used to smell like, so I'm intrigued to know if this is a similar kind of mask, like better for the more oily skin types. If you know, please let me know. But that is what it looks like. It literally looks like a pot of chocolate, which I'm very excited about. Hopefully Ryan won't just think to eat this, but like I kind of wanna, do you know what I mean? I won't. Oh, should I? I shouldn't lick it, should I? I can confirm, doesn't taste like chocolate. Ugh. The next item we have in the box is the LUSH Carrot Top hair treatment. I absolutely love a Lush hair treatment. I love Lush hair care in general, like the solid shampoos, the conditioners, the treatments. Honestly, all top tier for me. Absolutely obsessed with them. So this is the Carrot Top treatment, and it says, we've stolen the carrots off the Easter Bunny. Don't tell on us, but with how well they moisturize the hair, helped by ochre gel and brightening fresh rhubarb, we think we'll be forgiven. And this is what it looks like. Again, I am a big fan of the Lush hair care, so this I definitely will get my use out of. I mean, I'll probably have to maybe get 1 or 2 uses out of this, I would imagine. In terms of ingredients, we have got agave syrup, we have got lemon juice, we have got carrot juice, we've also got things like olive oil, carrot seed oil, we've also got avocado oil, lemon myrtle oil, tonka seed extract, vanilla extract. Let's open it up and see what it smells like. Oh, that is a fun texture. You are kidding me. That smells so good. It smells like carrot cake. Like, not even like a soapy carrot cake. Like, it actually smells like carrot cake. The vanilla in this is giving that like carrot cake, like icing smell. That's incredible. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use that. How do I use it? I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. If that makes my hair smell like carrot cake, I will cry. I'm very excited about that. That's very exciting. Okay, 10 out of 10. Also in the box, we have got some moss. You guys know how I feel about moss. I don't think it is actually moss, but it looks like moss and it feels like moss. It's giving me the ick a little bit, not gonna lie. The next item we've got is this. This is a earth dumpling. I don't know what that means, so let's give it a read. So this is a seed bomb. Unwrap your seed bomb and toss into some soil that is free from weeds and in a sunny open area. To give it a head start, wait for a rainy day. In dry weather, water gently but thoroughly as you wait for your wildflowers to bloom. Oh, I'm so excited. I actually have a little pot and some soil, so I'm actually going to do this. I'm so excited about that. I love it. Currently our garden is an absolute pigsty, and when I mean that, I mean it's full of chopped down trees, so it's just a mess. So I'm not going to plant this in the garden. I will put it in a pot and put it in my window. That's so fun. I love that. The next item, I am screaming with joy. That feels so moisturizing. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the carrot and lettuce truffle shampoo. What does that mean? I have absolutely no idea. It feels insanely moisturizing though, like super soft on my hands. Kind of feels like a butter almost. Shut up. What is that smell? Is that Chelsea Morning? Stop. That smells insane. I feel like this smells like Chelsea Morning. We love truffle shampoos for the extra fresh ingredients. This one contains over 10% fresh carrot juice for shine and fresh lettuce for its scalp-loving vitamin A content. Lather between your hands, massage through wet hair and the scalp before rinsing thoroughly. Store somewhere dry and draining between uses. That's incredible. I honestly don't know what truffle shampoos means. I guess it's a fresh shampoo. That's insane. And it smells, wait, is it Chelsea Morning scented? That is my question. It is giving Chelsea Morning. In terms of the ingredients for this one, we have got, it's honestly a struggle to read it. I feel like I've got to go like this. We have got tonka seed extract, we have got vanilla extract, we have got paprika, we have got sunflower oil, lettuce, we've also got carrot juice. Wow, that smells insane. Yum. I feel like it is Chelsea Morning scented. Delish. Next up we have this little guy. How cute is he? I also absolutely love that Lush have wrapped this one. This is actually biodegradable. I think it melts in hot water, but I find that sometimes when they're all naked in there, they just start like touching each other and it's a whole mess. This is really helpful and I absolutely love the look of him. So this one is the Follow the White Rabbit Scrubby. I love Scrubby so much. To have a rabbit version, I can't cope. That's so cute. So this is obviously a body scrub, and in terms of ingredients, we have got coconut shell, we have got Ilipi butter, we have also got maple syrup, we have got coconut oil, we've got buchu oil, we've got almond oil, we've got bergamot oil. I just want to open this and see if it smells like a scrubby. Ooh. So it does, wait. It smells like carrot soap. The classic Lush carrot scent, that is what this smells like. It's so sweet and fresh. That's delicious. It smells like Easter. I love that. And he's so sweet. I don't know if you can see him through the packaging, but I really don't want to get him out and melt him all over my fingers, but he's so cute. Oh, yum. I love that. That's so sweet. Okay, and last but definitely not least, we have another cute little bunny. This is the bunny, wait, no it's not, the Baby Bunny Facial Gummy Wash, and it says moisturizing maple syrup and softening carrageenan, but the carrot on top are yummy Chelsea morning fragrance. Maybe that's what smells like Chelsea morning. I'm starting to smell Chelsea morning everywhere. Chelsea morning fragrance. Wet the bunny and rub between your hands to make a lather. Apply the foam to your face and rinse off. And ingredients wise in this one, we've got lemon myrtle oil, vanilla extract, carrot seed oil. We've also got tonka. We've got maple syrup. And it smells like Chelsea morning. That is delicious. And again, look how sweet he is. I love the texture of the facial gummies because they're really like firm. Oh, that's delish. Oh my goodness. Yum. Oh my goodness. Honestly, I want to use that now. So those are all of the items in the last ever Lush Fresh and Flowers box. I'm so sad that this is over, but I'm so excited to see what Lush are doing behind the scenes and what they have coming for us in store. I am sure it's going to be amazing and I just can't wait. But that is everything for this video. I would love to know down below, did you get this last box? What were your thoughts? What were your feelings? Have you ever got a Fresh and Flowers box? Let me know down below. Also, if you guys didn't know, I do have a Lush affiliate link, which is always down below. I do receive a small commission of anything you purchase. However, it would mean the world if you guys did use it. But again, please don't feel like you have to. However, at the moment, if you do use it, you do receive a free product when you spend more than £15 and you are based in the UK. So feel free to check that out. Any questions, let me know. But that is everything. Thank you so much for being here. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.